Hi there, students. Plummet. To plummet, most commonly a verb, but could also be a noun, a plummet. Okay, to plummet means to fall very quickly and very suddenly. So rocks plummeted down the mountainside. He plummeted off the edge of the balcony onto the concrete and hurt himself very badly. So it just means to fall. But then we can also use it metaphorically, meaning to decrease a lot, to go down. So stock prices have plummeted this week. The temperatures plummeted to 10 degrees below zero last night. So to go down in amount or value very quickly. Water levels have plummeted since this new factory opened. House prices have plummeted, the opposite of soar. They plummeted by 22% in the last year. Okay? So to plummet, to fall, to go down, to fall perpendicularly. He plummeted for 30 seconds before opening his parachute. Yeah? Or to drop sharply and abruptly. So a plummet, an abrupt drop, a sharp drop in prices. There was a sharp plummet in the price of oil. Okay, so yeah, just to go down, to go straight down, or to decline or decrease very suddenly. Yeah, the car plummeted off the edge of a cliff. Yeah, the arrow plummeted to Earth. The asteroid plummeted to Earth. So let's see, to plummet, a regular verb. Prices plummeted. Prices have plummeted like this before. Okay, so how formal is this? I think I would give this a 5.5 or even a 5 in formality. Use it anywhere. Yeah, it's a good verb instead of fall or drop. And the origin is quite good. The origin comes from Latin plumbum, lead. Yeah, through French plomb. Yeah, and in the past, or maybe even today, a plummet line. This is a plumb line, something with a piece of lead on. Yeah, a piece of lead attached to a line to measure the depth of water. But I would say a plumb line, not a plummet line. But that's the origin. So it reminds me of the old question, which falls faster, a pound of lead or a pound of feathers? Well, they fall at the same rate, or they should do, at least in a vacuum. Okay, so to plummet, to decline, to fall rapidly. My energy levels plummeted as I got near the end of the course. Yeah, the rocks plummeted off the edge of the cliff and fell into the sea. Okay, so to plummet, boom. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Plummet.